So here we have a nice question from probability, and I think this too can be done in the first go. So starting with the experiment is that the coin and not an unbiased coin. In fact, it is a biased coin with the probability P of heads is 1 by 3. So from that we start. So let the probability of ending with two consecutive heads be P. Then it becomes getting a head in the first turn followed by a head in the second turn. So then that's over. Otherwise, head in the first turn, tails in the second turn, and then let's say Q is the probability of the experiment getting over with two heads, given that the last toss was a tails. So this is the case when we get first a head and followed by head, then the game is over. Head followed by tails, then the probability becomes head, tails, and then Q, which is the probability given the probability of winning given the last last toss was a tails. And this is if the first toss is a tails, then the probability of winning is Q as defined. So okay, we now have P in terms of Q. Let's try to find Q. Q is the probability that the previous toss was in fact a tails. So to win now we need to have a heads followed by heads, we win. If a heads is followed by a tails, then the winning probability of winning is Q again. So from this equation we'll get Q, that is Q equals to 2Q by 9 plus 1 by 9, which gives us Q equals to 1 by 7. Substituting that Q here, we get P equals to 1 by 9 plus 2 by 9 plus 2 by 3 times Q. So equals to 1 by 9 plus 8 by 9 into 1 by 7, 8 by 63, 7 by 63. So this becomes 5 by 21. So the answer is B.